In last lecture, we learned the definition of network topology. Now we know the types of topology. Network topology, the structure or map of the network. The physical and logical topologies are there. The physical topology is nothing but the layout of the cables connecting the networking devices and computers, and the logical topology is nothing but the way in which computers and networking devices transmit the data. One by one we learn all these topologies. Types of topologies. Physical topology broadly contains the number of types like bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, ring topology, and hybrid topology. And the logical topology contains the token based topology and shared media topology. One by one we learn all these things. Look at the figure. First topology of the physical topology category is the bus topology. In bus topology, all nodes are connected a central cable which is called as a bus. This bus is also called as a trunk, or sometimes it was also referred as a backbone cable. Trunk cable was connected to the branch cable, further connected to the PC. Every network device other device through this bus. Nodes are connected to the bus cable by drop lines and taps. Look at the figure, there are drop lines and taps available. A drop lines is a connection running between the device and the main cable. A tap is a connector that either splices into the main cable or punctures the sheathing of the cable to create a contact with the metallic core. A node or the computer that want to send the data, it puts the data on the bus which carries it to the destination node. When one computer sends a signal up to the wire, all the computers on the network receive the information, but only one accepts the information. The rest regrets the message. The one computer can send the message at a time. A computer must wait until the bus is free before it transmits. Look at the figure. That figure shows the bus topology. Then what are the advantages and disadvantages of the bus topology? Bus topology is easy to install and set up. It requires less cabling than the mesh and star topology. It is the fastest medium of the transferring data as compared to the ring topology, and it is very sufficient mode of the topology for small networks. What are the disadvantages of the bus topology? It cannot connect a large number of computers. Breaking of one line bus backbone stops all the transmission. It is difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shut down. Sometimes collision may occur. Why? Because any node detect the line as a free. Suppose two nodes at the same time detect the bus as a free and send the data at the same time, then that data must be collide within the bus. Heavy network traffic can slow the bus considerably, and it can use the is ring topology is the in the ring topology the computers in the network are connected in a circular fashion, which displayed just like in a screen. In ring topology, each computer is connected to the next computer with the last one connected to the first, or we can say that device is connected to other device with dedicated link in one direction from device to device. Each computer in the ring incorporates a repeater. When a computer receives the signal intended for the another computer, it repeats the repeater generates the bits and passes them to the message flow, and the ring is one direction. Today, higher speed LANs have made this topology less popular. Then what are the advantages and disadvantages of the ring topology? First advantage of ring topology is it adding or device is easy, reduces chances of collision. Each computer has equal access of resources. There is no need of network for server to control the connectivity between the workstation. isolation is simplified. What are the disadvantages of the ring topology? If one node goes down, it takes the whole network. It is slow in speed. Reconfiguration is needed to add one node. Whole network must be down first. Traffic is unidirectional, not bidirectional. Network is highly dependent on the wire which connect different components. Thank you. We will see the next topic in the next